What's going on, guys? Today I'm doing the review on my 18-liter Viking Patriot throwover bags. So I've been using these bags for about a month now, and for daily use they're awesome. They're enough to keep your sweater or bottled water or anything you really need to carry with you, but they're not too intrusive where they're really huge and make your bike look ugly. Also, they're really easy to take off. Literally, you can just take your seat bolt off. Obviously, they're throwover bags, so you can throw them on and take them off whenever you please. I just used them on a 1,500-mile road trip to Utah, and these bags carried literally everything I needed and more, and I still had space. And one of these bags, I had a tool roll, I had rags, zip ties, extra bolts, extra parts, quick detailer, pretty much everything I needed. So when I got to my destination, I could take everything off my bike, clean it, and set it exactly right back up. And I still had one whole bag to keep easy to grab things. In this bag, I kept a sweater, winter gloves, windbreaker, and like any snacks that I needed that were easy to access on this side of the bike. Another thing that I like about these bags is the MOLLE attachments on the outside. If you can see over here, I connected a MOLLE water bottle pouch, and that was nice because when I was on the road, I could just flip up my modular helmet and grab my water bottle, and I had ice cold water at any point of my trip. Also, these straps right here connected my luggage on top, and as you can see in the video, it was really easy to attach my luggage on or off whenever I got to my destination, and they just attach via these MOLLE panels right here on the side. So that was really nice as well. Also, what I like is they have these loops on the zippers here, which I was able to attach a TSA lock and keep everything inside safe whenever I parked at my hotels or my destinations. So all in all, I would definitely recommend these bags. They're super easy to put on and take off. They're super sleek. They're made out of this nice Cordura material, and they're very, very durable. And honestly, they look good. Like, I ended up leaving them on my bike for a majority of the part of the ride. I don't even really take them off that much just because of how nice they are. Also, if you have like a piggyback shock, they have a nice cutout right here so they're not rubbing against your shocks, which I like too. I definitely recommend these bags. For the price, you can't beat it. They come with little brackets too if you wanted to keep them on permanently. You could do that. But yeah, I really like these bags, and you guys should definitely consider getting yourself a set.